Hey everybody, I wanted my name to be different, my username, so I had to make a different YouTube account. So I only want to redo this video, a sick a sick beat. I meant sick ringtone. Yeah, I just want to redo that because I had to make another YouTube account. So okay, here we go. Well, that's it. Peace.